The angle of elevation of the top P of a ladder PQ from its base Q 12 meters away from a wall is 36 degrees. Find, correct to the nearest meter, the length of the ladder. Okay, let us interpret the question. This question is coming from a topic known as angle of elevation. Okay, so angle of elevation and depression, and we are going to draw out the diagram. The angle of elevation of the top P of a ladder. Let us put the ladder here. From its base Q, 12 meters away from the wall. This is the wall. Okay, let's say this is the wall, and the ladder is resting on the wall. You understand? This is the ladder. The ladder is resting on this wall. Okay, so the angle of elevation is what? 36 degrees. So the angle of elevation is the angle between this place. That is 36 degrees. Okay, now the distance between the foot of the wall and the ladder, the wall and the ladder is what? 12 meters. So this will be what? 12 meters. You can see how I drew out the diagram. This is the wall, this is the ladder. The angle of elevation from the foot of the ladder is 36 degrees, and the distance between the wall and the foot of the ladder is what? 12 meters. So we are asked to calculate the length of the ladder. The length of the ladder is this length. So this is what we are looking for. Now, based on this, I can redraw the diagram as this. Okay, 36 degrees. The length of the ladder. Let me call this one P. Let's call this one Q. The angle of elevation of P of the ladder PQ. This one will be Q. And let's call this one O. So what we are looking for is this length. Now, you can see that this is a right angle triangle. We have been given that this is 12 meters. How do we calculate length PQ? To calculate PQ, we can make use of car. You understand? Because this is adjacent now, and this is the hypotenuse. You understand? This is the adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. So cos 36 degrees equals to what? Adjacent, which is 12, over hypotenuse, which we don't know. That's what we are looking for, over x. So x cos 36 degrees equals to 12. Okay, x equals to 12 all over cos 36 degrees. Okay, cos 36 degrees is what? Let's check. Cos 36 degrees, that is 0.8090. So I'm going to have x equals to 12 over 0.8090. So x equals to 12 divided by 0.8090. That is 14.83. 14.83. So x is approximately equals to 15, because we are told to find, correct the nearest meter. So the value of the length of the ladder is 15 meters. The correct option to that question is option C. Okay, so you see, if you encounter this kind of question, first draw out the diagram. Having drawn the diagram, you can proceed to calculate. Okay, so let us proceed to the last question, which is question 50. A fair dice is thrown once. Find the probability of obtaining an odd number or a prime number. We have option A, 1 over 2, option B, 1 over 3, option C, 2 over 3, option D, 3 over 4. Okay. A die.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.